we are going to be practicing graphing a line from y equals mx plus b form. We want to graph the line y equals 2x minus 3, which is in what we call slope-intercept form. So here, the slope of this line, m, is equal to positive 2, which I'm going to write as 2 over 1. And the y-intercept of this line is 0, negative 3. So slope-intercept form is its name because we can identify the slope as the value multiplied in front of x and the y-intercept as the constant, so 0, negative 3. And it's nice to graph a line in slope-intercept form because we automatically have one point. We have the y-intercept, so we'll plot that point down at 0, negative 3. And all we need to graph a line is one more point. And to find one additional point, we're going to apply the slope. The slope is a set of instructions, essentially. So the slope is often referred to as rise over run. So this number on top, since it's positive, we're going to consider that a rise. So this is telling us to go up 2. And the number on the bottom is telling us to go right 1. So the number on top tells us to go either up or down, depending on if it's positive or negative. The number on the bottom tells us to go right if it's positive and left if it's negative. So we're going to start from our y-intercept and apply the slope. I'm going to apply the set of instructions and go up 2 units and right 1 unit to find a second point. And that's really all I need to define a line. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect these points with a straight line that extends beyond the points because it goes on and on forever. In this example, we want to graph negative 2/5 x. So this is technically in the form y equals mx plus b, but the b, the y-intercept, is 0. So we're going to identify the slope, m, as negative 2/5. Now this negative can either be associated with the numerator or the denominator, not both. So I'm going to keep it with the numerator, negative 2/5. And the y-intercept is 0, 0, or the origin. So I'm going to label the y-intercept, which is the origin, 0, 0. And then our job is to apply the slope. Since I associated the negative with the numerator, this set of instructions is going to tell me to go down 2 units. And the number on the bottom tells me to go right or left. So since it's positive 5, I'm going to go right 5 units. So from the y-intercept, I'm going to travel down 2 units and then right 5 units. And that's how I'd find a second point. And I could have chosen to associate the negative with the denominator. Then the instructions would have said up to left 5 and would have gotten me over here to this coordinate point. So we would still arrive at the same linear graph. Now we want to graph y equals 2 minus x over 3. So let's first notice there is a 1 in front of this x, and so the slope of this line is negative 1/3. If it helps, we can write this line as negative 1/3 x plus 2 to really see that the slope m is negative 1/3 and the y-intercept is 0, 2. So we'll plot the y-intercept at 0, 2, and then we'll apply the slope. I'll keep the negative with the numerator to indicate we're going down 1 and right 3. So from 2, if I go down 1, right 3, there's my second point. And again, 2 points defines the line. So there is my graph.